Chris, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. Victor Jr. It's got the Demon 750 MSD Pro Billet, custom growing and high hydraulic roller. Got the Champ front sump wall pan. Got your vintage air front end on it. Everything works great on it. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 472 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 515, peaks horsepower 506. So we ran at 500, it's got a front end on it, so it really runs good. Get her off there, get in the crate, come your way, have a great day.